YouTube? It is me, FuriousWulfe500. We're gonna be reviewing the most furious thing I've ever reviewed. It is called the Loaded Bacon and Cheddar Sasquatch Stick. Now, I've heard a lot of views, there's a lot, it's just blowing up in the internet, so I decided to give it my personal opinion, see if I like it. Alright, let's begin. So we've got the meat stick here. It's very tantalizingly, it smells pretty good. Alright. Okay. It has a lot of flavor. I give it like a 5.3 out of 5.
A paper bag and a paper bag. I want the paper bag and paper bag.
Oh, gross! Oh. Hey, you got something to say to the camera? I love you all. It's gone.